In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a dark mode feature to your Shopify Dawn theme without relying on an app. This is an effective way to gain full control over your website's appearance in dark mode, tailored specifically to your design preferences. Before we start, it's essential to remember that you'll be diving into editing theme code, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, so it's a good idea to back up your theme to avoid any mishaps. Let's begin by setting up an HTML structure to host your dark mode toggle button. This will be the control switch for activating and deactivating the dark mode. First, locate your theme's header file. It's usually named header.liquid or theme liquid. Within this file, you'll insert a simple HTML button. You can do this by adding toggle dark mode. This button will act as the user interface for switching the mode, making it a crucial part of our setup. Next, we'll move on to styling our dark mode with CSS. You'll navigate to the style sheet, typically named base.css, style.css, or theme.css, found in the Assets folder of your theme. Here, you'll define a special CSS class named .darkMode, which will apply specific styles when activated. An example could look like this. Set a dark background color with background color, number 323232, and light text color using color #F. You can also style other elements such as headers and footers with their respective dark mode classes like pos dark mode pot header and pot dark mode footer, both set to background color maj 1A1 Feel free to expand these styles to suit other elements on your site. With our styles defined, it's time to make our button functional by adding some JavaScript. Go to your theme's JavaScript file, often named global.js, or you might find separate script files. Here, you need a JavaScript code that listens for a click event on your toggle button. This script will add or remove the .dark mode class from the body element. Also, it's crucial to ensure the dark mode remains active across sessions. For this, use local storage to save the user's preference. So, initially check if dark mode was previously enabled with local storage.getItem, dark mode enabled. Then, set up a click event listener on the toggle button to switch the mode and update local storage to reflect the current mode state. Before you go live with these changes, make sure to test the dark mode thoroughly across different devices and pages to catch any styling elements that might need tweaking. If your site's logo requires alteration between modes, implement a logic to handle the image swap. Plus, always prioritize accessibility to ensure your dark mode maintains readability and usability for everyone. With these steps, you now have a custom dark mode feature that enhances your Shopify theme's versatility, offering users a pleasant viewing experience tailored to their preferences. Make sure to save and preview your changes and enjoy your newly added feature.